Hey guys, so good morning. Okay, so I just found out a hack for you guys. I just literally was suffering from the brightness of the sun, especially during the summertime. Well, it's not summertime now, but it's kind of still bright. So this is California and it's bright. And if you are when you're driving, the sun really hits your eye, and when you are 5'2" and below, whatever you do, whatever pull down you do with the sun visor, the sun will still hit your eye. So I got a hack for you. So this is a tissue holder. Okay, so this is a tissue holder that I made a mask holder. But then when the sun is too bright and I couldn't see, I just pull it down like that. And then kind of like pull this down a bit and then slide it wherever the sun hits. So for example, if the sun hits this part, you kind of pull it down that part, and it's not gonna fall because it's really tight right here. Yeah, and then same as, see, you can see it's really tight. Also, you can do that on the other side if the sun hits the and if it's not too bright anymore, that you can handle the brightness of the sun, just tuck it up and make it as your regular mask or tissue holder. There you go. So that's a hack for you guys. Like, I've been complaining to my husband that, you know, it's really bright when you're driving during summertime, and the sun that's really like hurts your eye. Like, even though you have sunglasses on, it hurts your eye. Like, it doesn't only hurt your eye, it's literally dangerous, because if you can't see, you might get into an accident. Yeah, now you have a solution. So go to Amazon, grab one of these like tissue holder slash mask holder, and use it as the extension of your sun visor. Yeah, that's a hack for you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.